Best running shoes. Looking for the best running shoes for comfort, support, and everyday performance? In this video, we're checking out some popular options designed for different running styles and needs. From cushioned daily trainers to supportive shoes for walking and longer runs, there's something here for almost every type of runner. I'll break down the key features, comfort, cushioning, fit, and potential downsides so you can see which pair might be the right match for you. So, if you're ready to find your next pair of running shoes, let's get started. Number 5. Grounding Barefoot Shoes with Copper. Color: black. If you're looking for a more natural-feeling shoe, these Bronoir grounding barefoot shoes are designed around a minimalist approach. They feature a flexible rubber sole, a zero-drop design, and a wide toe box that gives your feet more room to move naturally. One thing that stands out is the pull-on design. There are no traditional laces to deal with, which makes them simple for everyday use. The thin, flexible sole is also intended to provide a barefoot-style walking experience, while the copper grounding design is made for earthing use. The shoes are listed as quick-dry and suitable for hiking, but they are not water-resistant, so wet conditions may not be their strongest point. Weight is also not officially specified, so I wouldn't make any assumptions about how lightweight they are. Pros: flexible rubber sole with zero-drop design. Wide toe box for natural toe movement. Pull-on style and quick-dry feature. Cons: not water-resistant. Weight is not officially specified. Minimalist soles may not suit everyone. Specs and configurations. Outer material: rubber. Closure: pull-on. Shoe type: athletic shoe. Style: minimalist. Special feature: quick-dry. Specific use: hiking. Water resistance: not water-resistant. Number 4. Under Armour Charged Plus Assert 11 running shoes. Color: black, white. Weight: 10.2 ounces. If you want a running shoe that focuses on everyday comfort without getting overly complicated, the Under Armour Charged Plus Assert 11 is worth a look. It uses an athletic mesh upper with leather overlays, giving the shoe a supportive feel while keeping the design sporty and straightforward. The Charged Plus midsole cushioning is the main comfort feature here. It's designed to provide a soft feel for running and everyday movement. Underneath, the rubber outsole uses strategically placed flex grooves to help with traction and a more natural toe-off. At 10.2 ounces, the shoe has a moderate cushioning setup and is designed for neutral runners who want a balance between flexibility and cushioning. The upper also contains at least 30% recycled content. Pros: comfortable Charged Plus midsole cushioning. Durable rubber outsole with flex grooves. Supportive mesh and leather upper. Cons: not water-resistant. Moderate cushioning may not suit everyone. Lace-up design takes longer to put on than slip-ons. Specs and configurations. Outer material: polyester. Sole material: rubber. Closure: lace-up. Weight: 10.2 ounces. Sport: running. Cushioning: moderate. Runner type: neutral. Special feature: flexible. Water resistance: not water resistant. Number 3. ASICS Gel Venture 11 Trail Running Shoes. Color: black/carrier gray. The ASICS Gel Venture 11 is built for runners and active users who want plenty of cushioning in a versatile athletic shoe. Right away, the mesh upper gives it a breathable feel, while the lace-up design lets you adjust the fit more precisely. Underneath, the standout feature is the combination of rear-foot GL technology and Amplifoam Plus cushioning. The GL system is designed to absorb shock, while the updated Amplifoam Plus midsole provides a softer, more comfortable ride. ASICS also increases the stack height by 2 mm for additional cushioning. The Ortho-Lite Hybrid Max Light Sockliner is another useful addition. It's designed to help with moisture management, breathability, and cushioning. The molded rubber outsole adds durability and traction for athletic use. Pros: gel technology helps with shock absorption. Soft Amplifoam Plus cushioning. Breathable mesh upper and moisture-managing sockliner. Cons: not water-resistant. Weight is not officially specified. Maximum cushioning may feel less responsive for some runners. Specs and configurations. Outer material: synthetic fiber. Sole material: rubber. Closure: lace-up. Sport: running. Cushioning: maximum. Insole: Ortholite Hybrid Max Light. Midsole, Amplifoam Plus. Technology, rear foot GL. Outsole, molded rubber. Water resistance, not water resistant. Color, black/carrier gray. Pronation, neutral. Number 2. Brooks Adrenaline GTS 25 Running Shoe. Color, black, ebony. The Brooks Adrenaline GTS 25 is designed for runners and walkers who want noticeable support without giving up a smooth, comfortable ride. Its engineered mesh upper feels breathable, while the flat knit collar adds structure around the fit. The biggest feature here is Brooks Guide Rail's holistic support system. Instead of simply adding stability in one area, it's designed to help keep your body moving along its natural motion path while limiting excess movement. That can make a difference during longer periods of walking or running. For cushioning, Brooks uses nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 foam. It's designed to provide lightweight softness and a comfortable feel throughout your activity. The midsole and outsole are also tuned for smoother transitions from one step to the next. Pros. Guide rail system provides supportive stability. Soft nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning. Breathable mesh upper with a secure fit. Cons. Not water resistant. Maximum cushioning may feel too soft for some runners. Weight is not officially specified. Specs and configurations. Outer material, mesh. Inner material, nylon. Sole material, rubber. Closure, lace-up. Sport, running. Cushioning, maximum. Insole, foam. Support system, guide rails. Midsole cushioning, DNA Loft V3. Special feature, lightweight. Water resistance, not water resistant. Number 1. Kricely Men's Breathable Walking Shoes. Color, black-red 4. Weight, not officially specified. If you want one pair of sneakers that can handle everything from casual walks to gym sessions, these Kricely Men's walking shoes are designed with versatility in mind. The knitted mesh upper gives them a sock-like fit while allowing airflow to help keep your feet feeling cooler during activity. The outsole is made from rubber and features a grooved texture intended to improve grip and resist everyday wear. That makes these shoes suitable for activities like walking, jogging, trail running, hiking, tennis, and gym workouts. Inside, the shoe uses foam, EVA, and leather materials, with moderate cushioning and a stability-oriented arch design. The lace-up closure also gives you room to adjust the fit. One limitation is that the shoes are not water-resistant, and the exact weight isn't officially specified. Pros. Breathable, lightweight knitted mesh upper. Rubber outsole designed for slip resistance. Versatile for sports and everyday wear. Cons. Not water resistant. Exact weight is not officially specified. Moderate cushioning may not suit those wanting maximum cushioning. Specs and configurations. Outer material, rubber. Sole material, rubber. Inner material, foam, EVA, leather. Closure, lace-up. Sport, hiking, tennis, trail running. Cushioning, moderate. Arch type, stability. Special features, breathable, lightweight, slip resistant. Water resistance, not water resistant. Insole cushioning, not officially specified.